Hello everybody, my name is Victor Joseph and today I'll be teaching you one program of data structures which I got from my university in Data Structures Lab. So in this video tutorial I'll be using C++ programming language for data structures. So let's see what is it about. So it's about linked list implementation of stack and queue. The aim is to find a linked list using stack and queue. So let's see the program. So these are my function prototypes, and then I've used a structure and its name is node. And then these are my data members, and these are the variables of that structure. So now let's see the main function. So in this main function, it will ask the user to enter your choice. So one is a stack and two is a queue. So I've used nested switch case in here. So if we press one, that is a stack, it will go inside this case. So that's the stack and it will ask the user. So if we press one, that's for pushing, two for popping, and three is for displaying. So if the user press one, that is a pushing, it will go inside this case. So it will ask the user to enter the item to push. So it will push, and then before pushing it, it will go inside this function. So let me show you that function. So here it is. So I'll pass the value inside the parameter, that is integer value of al, and then temp equals the new node. This will be saved inside the temporary variable. So if temp equals to null, that stack is overflowing, so you cannot push data inside your stack. Or else if it is false, then it will go inside there. So if top equals to null, so that means the top is empty, you can push inside it. So temp arrow data equals to val, temp arrow length equals to null, top equals to temp. And if or else if you go inside this, temp arrow data equals to val, temp arrow length equals to top, top equals to temp. So that's also pushing. And then if the user press 2, that's a pop-in, it will go inside this case and it will show a deleted item, but before showing a deleted item, it will go inside this function. So integer pop function. So if top equals to null, the stack is empty. That is, there's nothing inside the stack. Then integer, then I have declared one integer variable. Then temp equals to top, top equals top, arrow length, item equals to temp, arrow data. Then it will delete the temporary variable for freeing the space, and then it will return the item. So that's how it will pop in. And then if the user press 3, that is a display, it will go inside this case. In that case, it will go in this function. So let's see that function. So here it is. So if top is equals to null, it will display that the stack is empty, that is, there's nothing inside the stack. Then else, if there is something inside the stack, it will go inside this decoy equals top, while decoy is not equals to null. And then see out decoy arrow data, decoy equals to decoy arrow link. So that's how I do for display. So then, like if it press any other than 3, it will say sorry, invalid choice. And then after executing each and every cases, it will ask you that do you want to continue. So if you press Y, it will continue, or else if you press any other than Y or N or maybe anything whatever you want, it will just ask you that do you uh, want to go to main menu. So if I press Y, it will go. Just a sec. It will go away and it will ask the user to enter your choice. So 2. So if now this time we'll go with Q. So I'll explain you for Q. So 2 for Q. Then if I press 2, it will go in here, and then it will ask press 1 for inserting, 2 for deletion, and 3 for displaying. So if the user press 1 or for insertion, it will go inside this case, and then it will go and there's function. So temp equals to new node. If temp is equals to null, the queue is full. And then else if I equals to null, then temp arrow data equals to item, temp arrow link equals to null, I equals to temp, if f equals to null, f equals to temp, or else temp arrow data equals to item, temp arrow link equals to null, then r arrow link equals to temp, and r equals to temp. So that's how we do for insertion and queue. Then if it press 2 for deletion, it will go inside this case, it will show you the deleted item, but before showing you the deleted item, it will go in this function. So integer value if f equals to null, so the queue is empty, the other there is nothing inside the queue, or else I have to go in. So if there is something inside the queue, that's how we delete it. So else temp equals to f equals to f arrow link, value equals to temp arrow data, then it will delete a temporary variable in order to free the space, and then it will return the value. And then um, so if you press 3, that is for displaying. um, it will go in this case, and it will show you the queue. So as a function for it, void pq if f equals to null, that is the queue is empty, it cannot show anything else, there's nothing inside the queue. And then decoy equals to f, then while decoy is not equal to null, then decoy arrow data, then decoy equals to decoy arrow link, then it will show, then it will display your queue. So that's how we do it. And then it will ask you that do you want to continue after each and every case. So if you press any other than Y, then it will ask you that do you want to go to main menu, then again I will come in here. So that's how we do it. So let's execute the program. So 1 for stack. So let's press 1. So press 1 to push, and the item to push 1. You want to continue? Yeah, I want to. So again I'll push inside and I'll push 3. You want to continue? Yeah, one more time I'll push it. So do you want to continue? Yeah. So this time I go with display. So yeah, that's my stack. So why? So this time I'll pop out something. So okay, so deleted item is 2. So do you want to continue? Why? Yes. So 3 for displaying. So now you can see that 2 is deleted from our stack. So now do you want to continue? I press N. I go to the switch case, and then it will ask you that do you want to go to main menu. So why? Press yes, and then enter choice. This time I'll go with Q. So 2. So press 1 for inserting. So 1. And the item to insert 1. Then do you want to continue? By yes. Again 1. 2. Again I'll do it one more time. So do you want to continue? This time I'll display the queue. So you can see it 1, 2, and 3. So do you want to continue? Yeah. So this time I'll try to delete it. So 2 for deletion. So the deleted item is 1. So now do you want to continue? Yes, I do want to. So let's display the queue. So you can see the deleted item is not in there inside the queue. So 2 and 3 is already there. So do you want to continue? No. So you can press any other than Y. So do you want to go to main menu? Any other than Y? Okay. So that's how we do the program. And thank you so much for watching my video. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask it out in the comment section. Thank you so much.